Wide uses. Use our bottle to store your essential aromatherapy oils, air fresheners, DIY homemade lotions, moisturizers, hair silicones, deodorants, misting essential oils, dispensing air fresheners. You won't lose a single drop. Our deluxe spray bottle is 100% leak-proof, and boasts an extra long straw stick that will help you extract until the last drop of the contained liquid. All-angle spraying. The continuous spray bottle allows all-angle spraying for those areas which are difficult to reach. You can even use it sideways and upside down. Quality, integrity and PROMAISE. Rayson produce only quality materials and strict quality controls, so that we can be sure for our product's durability and longevity. Premium quality water spray, delivers superfine mist and most importantly at a great value. Your search will end here. Our bottle is made of durable PET and its nozzle is manufactured by world-renowned supplier who specializes in producing fine mist spray nozzles. Top reviews from the United States. Better than I imagined. This bottle is a little smaller than I thought, but it works very well and has a really good trigger sprayer attached. I use it to spray houseplants and the spray is a fine mist that can do the job. I recommend this sprayer.